County Moma Bay, Kauma Koragibad Migamo, Chungnerito Lemag Bunge KWS, Ostakotimo Krok Nengwech Mareso Lemar Omoro, Roan Antelope Half Marathon. Mabido Kilo Kanyakla Jongwech, Mawuke Gwenge Mopogore Pin Kenya. Roan Antelope Half Marathon, Neochaki Gamara Fario Perogadek, Mareso Leno, Mabende Kenya Mangema, Yudoremana Akarakar Nenule, Maruma National Park, a County Moma Bay, Kendo, Ma Entielo Marario Marngwedno. Mwech Makamano, Bido Timore Karneno Lema Ruma, e Kintarika Par, Gitarika Paga Cheldwe Mar Aboro Higani. Gavana Moma Bay Gladys Wanga, Mane Loso Kidechako Ikrok Nengwech Makamano, e Karneno Lema Ruma, Okonigi the Nyimegi Keto Ikrok Makare, Nengwejno, Kauka Jangwech Mawuoke Tung Kenya Mangima, Manikod Dwarangwech Makamano, Mondo Ochak Ndikore, Kapuk Chenro Ochakore.
It's going to be a very, very beautiful event, and today we are starting it, we are kick-starting it, and we want to ask that every Kenyan who's interested in participating in the marathon, and we want to call on every Kenyan who's interested in participating in the marathon to register. The event, essentially, in partnership with KWS, and KWS, we want to thank you because last 2023 when we had the marathon, you were involved and you supported us. And in 2025, we are seeing even bigger support. And we hope that we can partner with you and partner also with the Kenya Tourism Board to ensure that we put Ruma National Park out on the